Hi, let's take a look at this 2012 42-foot Regal Sport Coupe, the exclusive listing for Captain Rich at Offshore Yacht Sales. Stylish from every angle, quality built boat that's made to run. Let's take a walk down the dock and take a little closer look at this 42 Regal. Extended swim platform with faux teak, the look of teak without the work. Boarding to the cockpit, port or starboard. Aft facing lounge seat. Stylish factory hardtop and completely enclosed deckhouse salon. Nice shiny gel coat. This boat has had lots of care and very little use. Windlass, of course, remote spotlight. Sun pads on the bow, easily accessed through the walk-through windshield. Factory hardtop. Got stuff? We got a trunk. Lots of room to store your lines fenders. Nice size cockpit. L-shaped seating to starboard. The optional, almost full beam glass opening enclosure. Settee dinette to port. Huge overhead electric sunroof. Bring the inside out or the outside in. Full Garmin electronics package with twin multifunction displays. Volvo IPS means you get the joystick. Take the pucker out of parking. Summertime kitchen, complete with grill, sink, refrigerator. Little entertaining after dinner. TV folds right down from the overhead. Going down a couple of steps, starboard side has a L-shaped settee dinette, flat screen TV, plenty of storage. Full galley to port. Lots of storage, microwave oven, cooktop, stainless steel sink, under-counter refrigerator. Moving forward, through the pocket doors into the owner's stateroom. Centerline queen berth, hanging locker space, lots of cabinet, still bright, light, and airy. The high gloss woodwork makes a quality look. Flat screen TV. Access from the stateroom and the companionway for the head. Sink, vanity. Separate stall shower. Now this is only half of the living accommodations. Let's go aft to the mid cabin. Mid cabin has its own little sink, vanity, makeup area. Twin berths, flat screen TV, entertainment center. No cave dwellers here, light, bright, and airy. Separate enclosed head, complete with wet shower. What makes it go? A pair of Volvo IPS 400 drives. Fast, but still very economical. Generator, air conditioning, there's nothing missing here. Let's take one more look at this super clean Regal Sport Coupe. Be sure to call Captain Rich at Offshore Yacht Sales and see the full specs on our website, offshoreyachtSales.com. Thanks for looking.